To check your basic specs on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, right-click the Windows logo at the bottom of your screen and select Settings. Then go to System and select About. This will be at the bottom of the left sidebar on Windows 10. From here, you can see basic info about your hardware, like your processor, RAM, graphics card, and storage. If you scroll down, you can also see basic info about which version of Windows you're running. If you need more detailed information about your specs, right-click the Windows logo at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager. Then click Performance and choose one of the hardware options on the left. Under the CPU tab, you'll see your processor's model name in the top right corner. Below that, you'll see other important specs, like your base speed, number of cores, and logical processors, also called threads. Under the Memory tab, you'll see your total RAM capacity in the top right corner. Below that, you'll see other important specs like your RAM speed and how many slots are filled. Under the Disk tabs, you'll see your hard drive model name in the top right corner. And below, you'll see other important specs about your drive's total capacity and what types of drives you have. Under the Wi-Fi tab, you'll see your Wi-Fi adapter name in the top right corner, which might include its supported Wi-Fi generation. And below, you'll see information about which type of network you're currently connected to. Finally, under the GPU tabs, you'll see your graphics card model name in the top right corner, as well as other information about your GPU's memory or VRAM and which DirectX version your GPU supports. If you need even more information about your Windows specs, you can use third-party software. One free option is Speccy, which lets you see information about your CPU cache, hard drive health, and real-time temperatures. Another free app is CPU-Z, which lets you see your CPU socket, motherboard PCIe version, and RAM type, like DDR4 or DDR5. You can find links to both apps in the description below. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.